Mga kaibigan, isang magandang umaga ho sa ating lahat. Sometimes we do not like to live right now because in every 30 days na magkakaroon po ng delete ang Meta, mga kaibigan. So that's why we need to take a video first, no? Mga kaibigan, we need to take our breakfast, but it is not breakfast actually because it's around malapit na hong mag 11 o'clock and we have one meal a day or one rice a day lang ho tayo. So that's why ngayon sa oras na ito ay kakain ho tayo because it's around 11 o'clock, no? Thank you so much to all of you, mga kaibigan, especially to all my followers around the world, no? Thank you so much. And just we are just taking coffee right now, and our viand, no? Our viand is fish, no? So before that, we need to pray first, no? Ama naming Diyos, maraming salamat po sa biyayang pag-iingat at yung mga pagliligtas po sa binibigay niyo po sa akin, Ama, at lalong-lalo na ang pagkain ito, the food I can take, Ama, ito po ay to make it strong my life, especially when I go to the world. Ama, ikaw po ang nakakaalam sa lahat. Maraming salamat po. Amen. So, mga kaibigan, just to take rice, no? Kakain muna tayo. Maraming salamat kay Ganggang, which is my sister-in-law, one who give this kain sarap, oh. Our weather right now, no, was not cooperated, mga kaibigan. We got bad weather right now here in Davao del Norte, no. Palig ko riga. That's enough. Maraming salamat po, no. Thank you so much for our Father who art in heaven, no. Thank you so much, mga kaibigan. That's enough. But we just to take coffee first, no. That's the life of the Filipino, guys. After all, we just take coffee first, no. Big shout out to all my followers around the world, especially to those organic followers, the organic viewers and watchers for this video right now. No? Thank you so much.